Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. The global cues are mixed today क्योंकि एक तरफ dollar index is strong and US bond yields are holding at the high levels, but दूसरी तरफ Asian equity markets are trading in the green. Indian rupee has been an outperformer over the past couple of months और उसके पीछे there are a couple of reasons. एक है कि FPI flows जो जून तक negative था, that has turned substantially positive. And जब FPIs are buying the Indian equities and bonds, then automatically there is demand for the Indian rupees. And that's the reason why Indian rupee has been quite stable against the USD. And at the same time, it has been an outperformer when ranked against the major currencies around the world. Dusra, the hope is that Indian bonds will get included. The government bonds will get included in the global bond indices. Now, uska announcement is expected anywhere between now and the end of this year. And once that happens, it can lead to major inflows, but we have to understand those flows will not happen immediately. It will happen over a space of 12 to 18 months, but that definitely is a booster as far as the sentiment is concerned. So because of these primary reasons, and at the same time, of course, oil prices are low, so that is also not a headwind anymore as of now. So because of these reasons, Indian rupee has done quite well. So dollar rupee का जो पैटर्न रहा है, जो प्राइस एक्शन रहा है, it has been exceptionally choppy since mid-July. It has been oscillating. It made a low of 78.5 के आसपास early August. Then it bounced back again to 80. Then it came down to 79 a couple of days back. And again it has bounced back. So इसमें प्रॉपर रेंज डिफाइन करना इज डिफिकल्ट, बट वन थिंग इज क्लियर, 80 के ऊपर इट इज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू सस्टेन बिकॉज नॉट जस्ट द फ्लोज बट ऑल्सो आरबीआई का इंटरवेंशन हैज बीन वेरी हैवी. इफ यू लुक एट द FX reserves data which comes out every week, that clearly indicates that there has been RBI selling at higher levels on the spot market. So RBI is not wanting the dollar rupee to go immediately above 80 levels. So which means 80 becomes a very hard cap. That doesn't mean it cannot ever go above that, because if the global situation becomes far worse, then of course Indian rupee cannot stay immune. But as of now, 80 or 80-10 spot levels में काफ़ी एक tough resistance है. So anytime it gets close to that, the speculators are looking to sell because your stop loss is well defined. So you can sell either using futures, or you can do simply a put buy or a put spread, or you can even think of selling a out of money call. But that's how the trade has been, that closer to 80 on the spot, let's say around 79, 80, 79, 85 levels, people have looked to sell the dollars because your stop loss is well defined. Once it breaks 80-10, then of course it's going to be a bullish breakout. But जब तक वो नहीं हो रहा है, तब तक this has been the positional trade. उसके बीच में what looks to be the range, global situation को देखते हुए, Indian markets को देखते हुए, शायद 79 से 80 looks to be the broader range now. We think that the volatility may calm down, but after the Fed meeting, क्योंकि next week is the Fed meeting. तो उसके पहले it looks unlikely that immediately the implied vols or the realized vols will come off, because the markets are jittery. So generally after such a high profile Fed meeting, we can see the vols fall. That means the implied volatility and realized volatility both decline. So post Fed meeting, it could be an opportunity to again start selling straddles and strangles. As of now, it is better to focus on iron flies, क्योंकि वो hedge strategy है, और अगर temporary breach भी होता है of a range, you will not get a margin call. So that's the reason why we prefer iron flies instead of straddle strangles now. Or positional में, in case it pulls back towards 79, 80, 85 on the spot, then you can think of going short, because your stop loss will be above 80, 10 on a spot basis, and it's a well-defined stop loss. And closer to 79 or 79, 20 on the spot levels will be the support zone on USDINR. Cross currency में Euro INR is expected to be under pressure, and GBP INR may see a range bound price movement, but Yen INR will also be under selling pressure. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.